Welcome to our third virtual Adobe Summit, and thank you for joining us. Each year, Adobe Summit brings together global leaders across industries to learn, connect, and be inspired by the latest innovations in digital customer engagement. What's new this year is that we've enabled the entire Summit digital experience using our own technology, Adobe Experience Cloud. And we're able to personalize the experience based on your industry and interests. It's an incredibly exciting time to come together as all businesses must redefine how we engage with customers and deliver digital experiences at unprecedented scale. Since we came together at this time last year, the global health crisis has remained a major concern. While it's been challenging for so many, it is incredible to see the pioneering work being done by scientists and medical professionals around the world. I also want to acknowledge the horrific violence and humanitarian crisis unfolding in Ukraine. It is heartbreaking. We've been inspired by the strength and resilience of Ukrainians and the global community coming together to support them. And through it all, we've witnessed the power of digital to connect us. In the past 2 years, we've seen a profound global shift in work, learning, and entertainment. As consumers, we love the convenience of online shopping and drove a record number of billion-dollar e-commerce sales days last year, putting us on track to surpass $1 trillion in e-commerce sales this year in the US alone. Telehealth visits are now the norm rather than the exception. Students are more accustomed to learning at home. People are finding shared connection and community in immersive games and virtual concert experiences. We're collaborating in real time with colleagues within and outside our organizations on a daily basis. And this is playing out in industry after industry. Increasingly, we're using the digital world to do things that we once only did in the physical world. And the ongoing conversation on the metaverse reflects the fact that the distinction between what people do in the physical and virtual world is blurring. This enormous shift to digital was a catalyst for people to reimagine what the future might look like. From reflecting on life choices and reinventing themselves with new jobs and new businesses, to exploring new ways to monetize their content and creativity and fueling the explosive growth of what is being referred to as the creator economy, to rekindling interest in the web as an immersive and engaging medium for all aspects of our lives, and driving unprecedented interest and investment in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Web 3.0 technologies. Today, the digital economy is bigger than ever as digital technologies are empowering individuals, transforming businesses, and connecting communities as never before. The sheer magnitude and impact of these changes across all industries is absolutely massive because it's not only changed people's habits and expectations, it's changed how we work as hybrid and remote work have become the norm, and companies shifted operations to better meet customer needs. This goes far beyond just selling online and touches on how companies contribute to society, build and sustain trust, and earn customer loyalty. The topics of digital transformation and changing customer expectations are dominating business conversations. We're all grappling with what it means for our businesses and how we capitalize on the enormous opportunity of the digital economy. For us, the call to action is to make the digital economy personal. It's what we've done at Adobe, from how we engage with our employees to how we serve customers and collaborate with partners. At the heart of every great experience is an emotional connection, and great content plays a big part in making that happen. The experiences need to be real-time to deliver the right message to the right customer in the right context and through the right vehicle. Customer journeys need to be seamless across numerous touch points and across whatever channels your customers are using to connect with your brand. For end customers, that result is a satisfying experience. And for businesses, it is the imperative to action this data in milliseconds to be responsive to your customers. You'll hear more from Anil on what it takes to personalize the digital economy at unprecedented scale. As a product person at heart, it gives me great pride that Adobe pioneered the digital marketing category over a decade ago. Throughout that time, we've continuously innovated and invested in organic and inorganic growth to deliver more value to customers. We were the first to focus on the needs of the CMO and the Chief Digital Officer And we've now expanded that to serve the needs of the CIO and actually every business owner. Adobe Experience Cloud is a comprehensive, unified set of applications to optimize all aspects of the customer journey. At its core and the focus of our ongoing innovation is Adobe Experience Platform with billions of customer profiles at the center. It harnesses trillions of transactions to deliver personalized customer journeys at every touch point, from acquisition to monetization. As digital business becomes more critical to business growth, Adobe's mission to change the world through digital experiences is proving to be more relevant than ever before. On the eve of our 40th anniversary later this year, I'm incredibly proud of the impact our technologies have had on every aspect of society, from desktop publishing and imaging to electronic documents, video, and gaming, and of course, digital marketing and e-commerce. It's humbling to think that the digital world runs on Adobe's tools and platforms. Our core set of values, focusing on people, purpose, and community, has guided Adobe's evolution and growth over the past 4 decades and inspires our over 25,000 employees around the world on having more impact and inventing the future. Core to our purpose are 3 areas where we are uniquely positioned and motivated to make a difference: Adobe for all, creativity for all, and technology to transform. Adobe for all encapsulates our belief that everyone deserves equal treatment and opportunity, and that by building a diverse and inclusive culture at Adobe, we can represent and celebrate different perspectives for our customers and communities. Creativity for all underscores our belief that everyone is creative and has the right to share their story. Technology to transform is about the awesome responsibility that we need to take to help ensure that our technology is being used to do good. While we've all made significant strides in embracing the tremendous opportunities of the digital economy and appreciate your being on this journey through an all-virtual world with us, we do look forward to a day when we can come back together again in person. Thank you for participating in Adobe Summit. Thank you to our customers for their trust that they place in us, and for the partners for being on this journey and sharing your insights. I'll now pass it to Anil Chakravarthy, President of Adobe's Digital Experience Business. Anil?